Hi, today we are going to discuss the topic is how to add a connected app into second generation manager package. Before we are going to start the session, let's have a great quote from great personality. If you fail to achieve your goal, change the strategy, not the goal. Let's see what we are going to discuss as part of this. How to add a connected app in 2GB manager package. When you have or when you want to include a connected app into a 2GB manager package, there is a separate process to do the same. So what we have to do for that? First thing is, whatever the connected app you want to create, you have to create this connected app in in the namespace arc where you created the namespace. And then in the same Salesforce instance, you have to create a first generation managed package and add this connected app into that first generation managed package and upload and release. Once you release or promote that first generation package, then you have to create a folder called connected app if you already not having that folder on your source, in source, okay, where you are trying to create the second generation package, okay, like connected apps here. Once you have, then you have to create a connected app. You have to create a XML file like this, where in the developer name you have to give your namespace, whatever the namespace you have, and then underscore underscore your connected app. This is developer name, and here label your connected app name and version number. Okay, this version number we have to note down. Once you create a connected app, okay, then you have 1.0 version. Once you upload this connected app into first generation manager package and promote, then it is going to increase the version number of your connected app. That's why you all, but while you are giving the version number in the XML file, while you are including into your second generation manager package, you have to give previous version always. Okay, let's do everything practically. So now if you see here, we have, I logged into namespace org where I created namespace for our second generation manager package. So let's see what is there under package manager. If you observe here, this is the namespace, my space test. Now here I have to create a normal package, that is first generation package in this org, and add our connected app. So first thing is, first step is you have to create a connected app. Let's create a connected app manager. I'm just creating a sample connected app. Okay, this is only this session only for explaining you how to add the connected app into second generation package. So now here, if you, as I told you, you are trying to create a connected app in the namespace arc where you created the namespace. Now create connected app, and I'm giving test connected app. This is developer name, this is label, Salesforce textbook at gmail.com, and then enable OAuth settings. So right now, just as sample, I'm just giving this URL and I'm giving full access, nothing else, and save. So it will take few minutes or 10 minutes, whatever it may be, for generating and activating this. Now what we have to do, we have to create a first generation package. Go to package manager, here I already there, and click on new. I'm trying to create a first generation managed package. So I'm creating test managed package. This is the name. Save. So if you observe here, I'm checking this checkbox. managed. Click on save. Now let's see whether it is ready or not. So this is where you have a connected app called test connected app. Let's go here, add, under your managed package, add, and you can see connected app. See here, connected app. So you can add like this. Now what we have to do, we have to upload this. Okay, version name also 1.0 I am giving, and then no password for now. And here you have to select managed released instead of managed beta. You have to select managed release. That means you are releasing your first generation package here. Now you released a first generation package with your connected app, test connected app successfully. Now what we have to do here, we have to create a folder called connected apps if you already don't have. So where you have to create this, which wherever you are trying to generate the 2GP packages. Here we already have a source sample project where we generated package or package version for with 2GP, right? That means second generation packages. Here I'm going to create a folder called connected apps. Okay, let's see what is the name here. Connected apps, right? I'm going to create folder called connected apps, and then you have to create a file, XML file. Okay, so XML file should be, I'll show you that. You have to follow this. So let me open my blog here. I'll show you this also. So that connected app like this. You have to create an XML file under connected apps folder with the connected app name. Okay. Here our connected app name is this one. And then new file dot, what is the API name here? What is the uh, extension here? Connected app meta.xml, right? Let's take this first of all. And what is the connected app name? This one. And then I'm creating the file. Go to your connected apps folder, file. Now what we have to do, once you create a file, you have to follow the syntax here. What is the syntax? This is the syntax. Just copy paste. And here, what is the namespace? You have to give namespace from here. So go to your package manager here. And the namespace is my space test. And connected app name is developer name you have to give here. And then what is the label name? Just connected app. Test connected app simply. And version number, how you can get? You have to, when you open this, for example, when you refresh this now, if you observe what is going to happen, once you include this connected app into your first generation managed package and release, then it increases your version number of your connected app. So that, but while you are giving this version, here you have to give previous version only, always. Okay. So now what we have done, we have created a connected apps folder. There you created a file called a file with the connected app name dot connected app metadata XML. Okay. And then you gave developer name and label version. That's it. Now let's start um, creating the version. Now I have 1.1 version. Now I'm going to create 1.2 with the connected app. So let's run this command. Okay. If you don't know how to add, how to do this package version and all, you already have two sessions, part one, part two. Go through that, then you will get to know. Here, this session, especially for adding the connected app to your second generation package. See here, we are learning the process of adding a connected app into 2GP packages. What we did till now, we created a connected app in the namespace org where you created a namespace, and we created a first generation managed package, added a connected app and uploaded and released. Then we created a folder called connected apps in your source code where you are trying to create, or where you are trying to generate versions for your second generation package, and created a file with your connected app name and version. Now we are generating the version for your second generation package. Let's see what is going to happen. Now it is generating the version. So here what else we have to remember? We always need to take the previous version, as it is increasing the version of connected app when you upload every version. Whenever you upload and release your managed package every time, it is going to increase your connected app version number. But you always need to take previous version number of your connected app while you are giving the version in the XML file here. So now it is finalizing the package version. Let's see. Let's hope for best. Yes, it is successfully created the version. Now what we have to do, we have to promote this version. What it is, this is the version created now with the connected app, right? Now let's promote this version. So it's 1.2, right? Let's add this and let's promote this. Sorry, here you have to, yes, I am promoting 1.0, 1.2 version. Now this 1.2 has connected app also. So you cannot promote, or you cannot create the version for 2GP packages, okay, by adding this connected app into your org where you have the implementation. Instead, you have to follow the process of creating the connected app in the namespace org and uploading or releasing the first generation package by adding the connected app and creating the file like we did till now. Okay, then only you can work with connected app in second generation packages. Now done, we promoted. Then now let's take this installation URL, or otherwise you can install from here itself. Okay, now I am going to install into an org. package test.demo. Here it is going to be installed. Now, what is the password here? Test 1234. Test 1234. Now it's installing the and granting access to all users here. Let's see. Then once it is installed, yes, installation successful. I got the message, and then we can see how it looks like. Installation complete. Now you can see this installed package. See, you have sample2gp managed version number 1.2, right? Now let's try to see connected apps, manage connected apps. Click on this. Whether you got the connected app or not, we can see here. Or otherwise you can see under the package component. Simply see, you got the test connected app along with your components. Even you can see in the components installed packages, and then go to your package and view components. Here also you can see all the components related to your second generation managed package. Here you have test connected app. This is how you have to add a connected app to second generation managed package. I hope it helps, and I'll give you the reference link under the video description. You can have a look for more idea. These are all the references you have. They already gave some points. You can have a look. Once again, all the best. Please subscribe to Salesforce Tech.